you doing? Perry over here with MarineMax Maryland. Show you a used boat we just got in. So this is a 2013 Sailfish 240 center console. Start here at the back, powered by a Mercury 300 Verado. Got your boarding ladder in the back, as well as over here. Got a nice livewell. And then also you got a wash down right here. Rod holders, you got a ski pole if you want to take the kids fishing, and then they want to do, you know, some water sports. Nice seat back here, Yeti cooler underneath. Rocket launchers on the leaning post as well as up top on the T-top. You've got nice mesh storage up here. And then up here at the helm, you've got your Garmin 741 XS. All your switches and gauges. You've got your VHF radio. You've got your stereo headset. And then 2 more gauges here. Some more storage out throughout the boat, up here in the center console. Put, you know, your cell phone or your tablets up here. So move forward, you got your head. Pretty spacious down there. Get your bow filler cushions as well. Move up to the bow. Lots of room up here. You got seating for all your friends. Nice grab handles all throughout the boat. And then at the top, you've got your anchor windlass. Thanks for joining us for this brief walkthrough. It's this 2013 Sailfish 240 center console. Give us a call if you'd like to know a little more information, or come down and take a sea trial. Thank you.